Humanized mice model is actually very interesting where we can implant these mice with human immune system to develop these mice, dia punya properties like human. All the chemotherapy drug, they use the normal mice model. It's perfectly work in animal study, but once the drug go to the clinical trial, 70% of the drug candidate go to clinical trial will fail because in animal it's behave differently, but we go to an human immune system is more complex. So what we actually doing now, we collaborate with Singapore biotechnology company to develop humanized mice. If we successful in developing this humanized mice, it will give a source of income also. So we will maybe first in Malaysia to supply this type of, by collaboration with another biotech company also in Malaysia.
Watch full episode of BioChat. Only on Bioeconomy Corporation official channels.